हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूपीएससी। यूपीएचसीएससी के जनरल स्टडीज़ के रेगुलर टेस्ट करवा रहे हैं। अराउंड 22 टेस्ट हो चुके हैं, प्लस 4 टेस्ट है जो जीएस के इंग्लिश मीडियम जो एस्पायरेंट्स हैं उनके लिए हो चुके हैं। आज ये टेस्ट 5 है इंग्लिश मीडियम के लिए, और इसमें आज स्पेशल जो टेस्ट होगा ये इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का होगा। इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट टेस्ट आएंगे वो सारे टेस्ट आपके फुल लेंथ सिलेबस पे बेस्ड होंगे। अब सब्जेक्ट वाइज कंप्लीट कवर हो चुके हैं। अगर आपको टेस्ट सीरीज ज्वाइन करनी है तो उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है। हिंदी और इंग्लिश मीडियम में टेस्ट सीरीज आप जाके ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। आपको टेस्ट की पीडीएफ मिल जाएंगी। जनरल स्टडीज़ प्लस ऑप्शनल दोनों के लिए अवेलेबल है। आपके ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट की भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अभी तक आपने जिनमें से सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है जिन लोगों ने, वो सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा टाइम पे। लेट्स बिगिन। ये बेसिक टेस्ट है। नेक्स्ट जो टेस्ट आएंगे उनमें आईसीटी के अच्छे से और कवर कर दिए जाएंगे, बाकी सब्जेक्ट के भी। फिर भी आपकी कोई क्वेरी है, डाउट्स है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर रखें। आईसीटी स्टैंड्स फॉर, आईसीटी ये देखिए बेसिक है, उम्मीद है आपको सभी को आता होगा। आईसीटी इज इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द अप्रोप्राइट डेफिनेशन फॉर आईटी। आईटी की जो इनमें से कौन सी एक अप्रोप्राइट डेफिनेशन है? आईटी की डेफिनेशन है इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी रेफर्स टू द यूज ऑफ हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर स्टोरेज, रिट्राइवल एंड प्रोसेसिंग, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सो मेनी काइंड्स। ये इसकी एक अप्रोप्राइट डेफिनेशन है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आल्सो टर्म्ड एज मल्टीमीडिया एजुकेशन। मल्टीमीडिया एजुकेशन इज आईसीटी सपोर्टेड एजुकेशन इज टर्म्ड एज मल्टीमीडिया एजुकेशन। सीबीटी स्टैंड्स फॉर, व्हाट इज दिस सीबीटी? सीबीटी इज कंप्यूटर बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग। सेकेंड वन बी। NPTEL stands for, NPTEL is a national program on technology enhanced learning. It is stands for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. The ERNET stands for, it is stands for Educational and Research Network. C, third one. At which of the following institutions ERNET is used to connect computers? देखिए IISCs, IITs और जो NCST है, नेशनल सेंटर फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी, इन सभी में ये यूज लिया जा रहा है। एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च नेटवर्क ये सभी में यूज लिया जा रहा है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द 4 बेसिक डायमेंशंस ऑफ आईसीटी। 4 बेसिक डायमेंशंस ऑफ आईसीटी में कौन इंक्लूड नहीं है? एटीट्यूड इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस 4 बेसिक्स। Which of the following open source e-learning platform has been developed by IIT Kanpur? This Brihaspati C. It is developed by IIT Kanpur. Recording a television program on a VCR is an example of. It is an example of time shifting. Which of the following is the main challenge in ICT adoption in Indian universities? Lack of technology readiness, this one is also a main challenge. Poor implementation of ICT initiatives, this one is also a challenge. Linguistic barriers is also there. All of the above, ये सारे ही मेन चैलेंज हैं। Which of the following parameter are used for expansion of higher education? Access, equity, resources, all of these. This one is correct. All of these are used for expansion of higher educations. TKDL stands for? It is stands for Traditional Knowledge Digital Library. Sending and receiving messages signals occurring at the same time is denoted by. At the same time, question is asking at the same time, and it is denoted by synchronous. Video conferencing is an example of. Video conferencing is an example of synchronous technologies. Which of the following terms can be used in the context of education through CDs? It is a asynchronous. Digital divide is the term used in context of differentiation in use of ICT. Developed and developing nations, this one is correct. Urban and rural India, this one is also correct. Both A and B. So answer is C, both A and B. In the hypermedia database, information bits are stored in the form of. In the hypermedia database, the information bits are stored in the form of signals. Communication bandwidth that has the highest capacity and used by microwave, cable and fiber optics lines is known as. It is known as broadband. An electronic billboard that has a short text or graphical advertising message is referred to as. It is referred to as strap. Next one. The concept of connect intelligence is derived from. Concept of connect intelligence. Connect intelligence is derived from value added networks. The function of mass communication of applying information regarding the process, issues, events and societal developments is known as. It is known as surveillance. Information and communication technology includes. The information and communication technology includes online learning, learning through the use of EduSet, web-based learning, all the above. D is the correct answer. Information that is combination of graphics, text, sound, video and animation is called. It is called multimedia. Which of the following institutions launched a knowledge repository eGyanKosh in 2005 that aims at storing and preserving digital learning resources? It is by IGNOU. The institution promoted by the Department of IT to provide communication infrastructure and services to academic research institutions in India is. It is IRNET. ये कंप्यूटर consists of ये सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, ये मेमोरी, इनपुट आउटपुट, ऑल द अबव. D is the correct answer. Typical modern computers uses LSI chips. The bucket of FM radio channels which broadcast program contributed by institutions such as IGNOU and IITs is. It is a Gyanvani. Which of the following institutions has been working in the direction to develop a virtual technical university in India. It is AICTE, the joint initiative of the IITs and IISc to provide e-learning through online web and video courses in many streams, specifically engineering in the country, by providing free online courseware each. And it is a national program on technology enhanced learning. Which organization has been assigned the task to develop e-content of 996 courses belonging to engineering, science, technology, humanities and management? It is by IIT Madras. ये View, the software that has been developed under the NMEICT, is basically developed for teachers training. Web 2.0 tool have made traditional learning more social and personalized. Which of the following can be referred to as Web 2.0 tools? Blogs and wikis, podcasts and mashups, social networking, communities, all the above. Which of the following services can help students to access computer files from remote locations through mobile phones? It is RenRen. The satellite communication works through transponder. Which of the following is the correct statement? Computers can use for diagnosing the difficulty of a student in learning a subject. Psychological testing can be done with the help of a computer provided that a software is available. A set of instruction is called a program. All the above. All statements are correct. Which of the following statements is not correct? Computer is capable of processing only digital signals. It is correct. Computer is capable of analyzing both quantitative and qualitative data. This one is also correct. Appropriate software is required for processing the data. Computer is capable of processing digital as well as analog signal. Computer cannot do analog signals, it can do digital signals. So D is incorrect. Which of the following statements is correct? Virus improves the speed of processing information through computer. No, virus decreases the speed of computer. The internet does not allow a virus to spread. Internet helps it to spread the virus. Virus is part of software. Yes, virus is a part of software. Virus is an operating system. No, virus is not an operating system. Which of the following is not the characteristics of a computer? Computer is an electrical machine. Computer is not an electrical machine. So this one is correct answer. It is not a characteristic of computer. Which of the following is the appropriate definition of a computer? Computer is an electronic device that can store, retrieve. This one is correct answer. The pioneer organization is in personal computer industry is personal computer. It is IBM. Which of the following terms is the most closely related to main memory? It is temporary. Which of the following is used for manufacturing chips? Semiconductors used for manufacturing of chip. group of instructions to direct the functioning of a computer is called? It is program. The main component of first generation computer was, it is vacuum tubes and valves. Fortran is the acronym for, it is formula translation. In analog computer, input is never converted to digital form. ये hybrid computer resembles both a digital and analog computer. In the latest generation computers, the instructions are executed parallel, नहीं, both sequential and parallel. C is the correct answer. ये कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस थे आईसीटी के. आगे फुल लेंथ टेस्ट होंगे, उनमें भी आईसीटी और बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स कवर कर होते रहेंगे रेगुलर बेसिस पे. अब नेक्स्ट जो टेस्ट आएंगे फुल लेंथ टेस्ट आएंगे. होप यू गाइज लाइक these MCQs. Please subscribe the channel. All the very best. Good luck.